devoured
You did this, animal. You
They
did
devoured it.
Animal, you did this. You're so terrified.
I'm getting my camera out.
All your fault. Realise what you've done. You've just killed a lot of people. What?
No.
Oh, that's one. That's one.
I know they all came after us. I think they're hungry.
Oh no, they're gonna come now. I actually touched it.
Wait for it.
I touched it. I touched it.
Oh my god. This is so scary.
This is too funny.
Look at it, it's killing the biscuit.
Standing on my shoe.
It's above us. We're gonna get crap done.
I'm literally crying.
No, bro. They're gonna kill us.
It's just standing on my shoe.
They were literally crawling everywhere. Oh! I'm eating this one.
This is just too funny.
Do one more.
Another video.
Jeez.
There's more coming, there's more coming, there's more! Go away, go away. I bet they're going to start standing on my keyboard. They're going to get more brave.
Maybe we should go.
No, I want to stay here. Yeah, she just gave him more biscuit.
No! It's not on me!
Another one, another video.
This is terrifying.
I'm putting some of this on my Snapchat.
Ah!
You okay? Did they just snap your head?
Oh, they're fighting! They're fighting over it.
I'm putting some of this on my Snapchat.
Dude, I'm done. I'm not giving them any more.
Oh no, no! They're still here, Annabelle.
They're not getting any more biscuits. Oh, look, they're all over there. Look, they're everywhere. They all came to us.
No, 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 no.
Look, look, they're all going down there.
Unfortunately,
Look,
it's not
look,
a stop. Oh no! Oh no! No, now
They're
there's
literally
no
flying.
We'll have
No,
biscuit
no,
down there.
I bought these from Poundland. I'm not waiting anymore.
Can I have one now?
They just wasted about 5 biscuits on pigeons.
And he's doing that with like a load of junk as well. That's really good. I don't know how you can call it quality guaranteed when it's got a crack at the bottom. You had one job.